I am Bill Berg. I am the instructor for the aviation maintenance program. Well, we bring students who are interested in aviation, show them the foundations of aviation, what is built upon. You get 2 years of maintenance training. We start with math, physics, go into basic electricity, into the airframe and sheet metal repair. We'll be into composite repair, and we'll be tearing down and repairing piston engines and turbine engines. When you get done here, you'll be able to work on anything from an experimental airplane to the space shuttle.
We are currently the only aviation program in North Dakota that qualifies students for the A&P certifications, Part 147 school. So we passed all the certifications for that. For the college, all their training will be done here in North Dakota, in Fargo. They're going to be able to take their certification test right here. So again, another thing that we offer here at the college that no one else in North Dakota offers.
I love the students. The students are great. It's not so much me being an instructor and teaching them, it's guiding them in their learning. I'll give about an hour of instruction in the morning, and then we go into shop work into the labs where they're actually working on sheet metal, electricity. We were building flight control cables last week. It's something different continually. As soon as you learn something, we're moving on and we're learning something else. Well, the best part about this is everybody else in the world gets up in the morning and they go to work. I get up in the morning, I get to spend all day playing airplanes.